gorgeous colonial home situated on almost 2 acres in a picturesque country setting. This home features a fantastic covered front porch that welcomes you the moment you step towards it. As you step inside, you immediately notice the wide plank oak hardwood floors, installed new in 2017. On the main level you will find a tastefully appointed eat-in kitchen featuring white cabinets, quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Other rooms on the main level include a separate formal dining room, large enough to seat 8, formal living room, family room and an office. Features on this level include a brick fireplace with pellet stove, tile floors, chair railings, an amazing 10 by 38 rear deck that is partially covered, and this deck overlooks an even more incredible multi-level rear patio that, combined with the deck, is an absolute perfect space for entertaining. Moving upstairs you'll find a large master suite with private bath and tile floors. Down the hall you'll discover 3 more spacious bedrooms with another full bath. Moving down to the lowest level of the home you have a fully finished area that has a second family/great room with a wood-burning stove and another full bathroom. Beyond that is a huge laundry room and a hobby room that could also be used as a perfect pet sanctuary. This home is not just beautiful but also well kept. New standing seam roof and Trane HVAC system just installed in 2018.